Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to enable tab groups here on Firefox. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first thing we want to do is make sure you have Firefox open and go up to the address bar at the very top, and from here type in about and then colon and then type in config. Once in that, just click enter. And you should see this page. If there is a warning page, just click that's fine. From here, you want to go to search preference name and you'll want to type in browser and then do .tabs, .groups. And then it's normally .enabled. We can see it is right here. At the moment, it is triggered as false. Turn this on, go to the toggle button, click yes, and I'm actually going to do the same with smart enabled as well and turn these both on. Now all I need to do is close down the page and that has now been enabled. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.